In today's video, I will walk you through how to manually enter transactions in your QuickBooks Online. Start by locating the gear icon at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online screen. Click the gear icon to open the available menu options. From the menu, find Chart of Accounts and select it. Once the Chart of Accounts page opens, you'll see a list of the accounts set up in QuickBooks Online. Find the specific account where you want to manually enter a transaction. On the right side of that account, select View Register. This will open the register for the selected account, where you can view the transactions associated with it. Next, look at the top left corner of the register table. You'll find a drop-down menu that allows you to select the type of transaction you want to enter. Click the drop-down menu to view the available transaction types. Depending on the transaction you're entering, you can select options such as a check, deposit, or transfer. Choose the transaction type you want to add to the register. After selecting the transaction type, enter the required transaction details. Enter the transaction date and the amount. If applicable, add a memo for the transaction. Review all of the information you've entered and make sure the details are correct. Once you've checked the transaction information, select Save. The transaction will then be entered into your QuickBooks Online register. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you.